Haydi.
What does 1,800 horsepower from a V16 engine sound like in action? Bugatti Chief Executive Officer Mate Rimac gave us a taste, sharing a video of the Bugatti Tourbillon prototype tearing down a track. In the clip, the hypercar revs aggressively before launching forward with incredible force. The prototype was running solely on its 1,000 horsepower internal combustion engine, leaving the 800 horsepower electric system untouched. With only 250 units planned and a starting price of $4,600,000, the Tourbillon is shaping up to be an elite masterpiece, set for deliveries in 2026.